Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Netflix gift card. You have to just go any of the browser and here you have to type Netflix, right? By the way, spelling is wrong, so I will just fix this out. Okay, and here we will just type Netflix. Now open the Netflix here. Of course, you would have email address. Just click on sign in on the top right, and here you have to enter your email, phone number, whatever, and password, and then click on sign in. Once you are into the Netflix, on the top left side corner, you will see a menu bar. Just click over there. After that, you have to just go to the account. Once you click on the account, bottom second, you will find option which is called redeem gift card and promo code, and just click on that, and after that you will able to add your gift card or promo code, and then you will able to redeem it, right? So this is very easy. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe our channel and make sure to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.